All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage and got the back door of the garage wide open because, man, it's like 65, 68 degrees outside. Just beautiful day today out here. So I got everything opened up. Now, I got something to show you fellas here, so let's go back in here. I got that body kit in. Here she be, boys. Check that out. Oh, first, here's that 54 pickup I got off Fleabay, that monogram kit. I've already built this once, so the street rod came out really nice. This kit goes together really super well. There's that body kit that I got. I got that body kit from Texas 3D Customs. Man, I gotta tell you, the quality of this stuff is really, really good. This this front piece right here, it's separate from this piece. This piece here goes all the way around, and it's a one piece. And then, of course, these pieces here are separate. And it's hard to show all this because the fenders and things are not glued on the kit, but I think you get the idea. These parts here will attach to the running boards. And look at that big old fin they give you in the back. And I'm not going to get my pointer, fellas. I'm going to use my fat finger. That, I believe, is a radiator for the back of the bed. It sits back there. It's got a nice roll bar setup back there. And this piece here slides up underneath here. It takes place of the rear bumper, the stock rear bumper. So that looks pretty cool. Man, these are some quality parts I'm going to show you here. Man, these things look super cool, don't they? Look at that. Just the molding of these things are excellent. Well, I mean, not the molding, but I'm sure these were probably 3D printed or something. Pretty cool looking stuff, man. I'm telling you. That, boy, I'll tell you what now. I don't know, but once this goes together, what's this thing going to be? Is it going to be like one of those, maybe one of those NASCAR truck series racing trucks or something, or some kind of a road racing vehicle? I can see some kind of a number or something on the door there, maybe a sponsor up here. I don't know. You guys give me some ideas here, man. What do I got here? What's it going to be when it's done? Haven't even thought about colors yet. That's always a chore for me, so I got to think about some colors for this thing. But boy, I tell you what, that's I think that's going to look pretty cool. And this thing is going to really set low to the ground. And I've got to come up with some wheels and tires for this thing. I know on Texas 3D Customs, on their website, they show this, and they have some wheels and tires for it, but I didn't buy those. I wanted to get something different, but I think what they had some 21s on the back and 20s on the front, and they came out pretty far this way. We're just hugging those fender liners there. So I don't know, guys. Y'all tell me, what's this thing gonna be when it gets together? I don't know. You guys help me out on what this thing might be and a color. Fellas, that's about it. I just want to keep this kind of short. I told you I'd come back on and show you this body kit that I got, and it came in, and I'm super stoked on this one, man. That just looks super cool. All right, guys, I'm done.